Yep, our luggage is here. Our key cards are here. It is 1:48. Go ahead, rip them key cards. Okay, so we are in room 8456. This is a regular interior cabin on the 8th deck. We have it set up with a one king bed. So when you walk in, I've got my back to the door right here. There are two cabinets I'm trying to show you, or two closets. Let me go ahead and open these up. Okay, so the one on the right, it's got a long, so you can hang your shirts and dresses and whatnot. And the one on the left has several shelves, your standard safe, and then 1, 2, 3 drawers, and a mirror. Alright. And with my back to the door, to the left, as you walk in, there's another door. This is the bathroom. And it looks like it's your standard bathroom for a Carnival cruise ship. You've got your sink. You've got 3 shelves on either side of the sink. There's a trash can and whatnot down at the bottom. Your toilet and your standard shower with shower curtain. Now, I have to say, I'm not a fan of the shower curtain, and I can't wait till Carnival steps up to these solid shower doors like Norwegian has. Norwegian has the
glass or plastic.
Yeah, fake glass
shower doors. And actually, Carnival Mardi Gras is supposed to have an actual shower door rather than the curtain, so you don't have to worry about the curtain trying to hug on you.
Yeah, because unless you're tiny, the curtain will try to give you a hug. All right, so next to the cabinet, you've got your desk area. You got a drawer with a hair dryer. That's pretty typical. That's not a drawer. You got your phone. Here's your fun times, in case you didn't pick one up like we said at the coffee bar. Looks like there's 2 USB ports and 2 outlets, which is actually pretty good for a ship. You got a mirror. Here's your room service menu. And then of course you've got your standard king size bed with 2 nightstands, one on each side. Does not look like there's any plugs in those. And then on this side, you've got another little area with a television and looks like 3 shelves and a mini fridge. So,
which they no longer put the mini bar in the mini
apparently, apparently there's no mini bar. I don't know if you can get that if you request it or what. So there you go. So that's a basic interior cabin. That's cabin 8456.